Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And today what I want to do is give you a little glimpse and quick insight to what we do in the members section when it comes to the swing charts or the options section. You know, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at the swing charts, but we have different memberships available. If you're just getting started into trading, you want to learn a little bit more about the charts, definitely check it out. Now you can go ahead and see those memberships by going to our website at tradersfly.com. So you can go ahead and go there. And by the way, while you're there, feel free to check out the freebies section or the getting started page if you're brand new to trading or investing. The freebies section has some great things to download and some free videos, cheat sheets, and all that kind of stuff. If you're looking into a membership, go to our members section here. The membership, it's going to forward you to our members website. And here we have a couple of different choices for either an options, ideas, and strategies if you're a little more advanced. If you're doing swing charts and swing trading, which is what we're going to cover right here, you can go ahead and check out the video swing charts or the technical analysis picture charts, which are very similar to the swing chart videos that we do on the recaps. Now, if you want to get started, go there and it'll give you some insight on exactly what it's all about, and you can watch the overview video. Now, that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Is we're going to give you an overview of the swing charts, and keep in mind this is just a quick glimpse and a quick clip of what's in the members section. With the members, you get the full video, but right now I just want to share with you a little freebie, a little clip, so that way you get a little taste of what happens. And I would love to see you in the members zone as well. Now, as we go in and look at some individual companies, Amazon, companies like this, delivery companies are doing fantastic and well. You can see we've had our resistance level right here. So here's our resistance, here's the other resistance level. We did have a little bit of a breakout zone right here at about 2,000. That's a very solid, solid kind of level, price level, right? 2,000 round numbers, and another breakout at about 2,200. So there's another breakout zone. So this stock continues to do well with some seriously massive bullish volume. The thing I would be a little more careful about with this stock is that there's a ton of movement to the upside, and once things get stretched, you need to be a little bit more careful and cautious. So again, usually a little sideways action or a little pullback to retest maybe the 2,200 is possible. But people love the stock. It's hitting all-time highs in an economy like this where, hey, people are ordering more things from Amazon. They love the Amazon system. They'll buy the music from Amazon. They'll buy the TV from Amazon. You got your whole life around Amazon. So this just continues to fuel the stock and just makes that company bigger and bigger and bigger. Of course, it does hurt the little guys and little companies. So you'll see that effect come in with some of the other companies here that we might discuss in the future. But anyways, with that in mind, the stock is bullish. It looks good. I wouldn't chase it up here. I would wait for a little bit of a pullback, wait more to maybe the 2,200 if we come in and retest that level, or even the 2,000 level. You could sell some puts if you kind of want to try and chase it a little bit, but other than that, I wouldn't try and get it way up here. Wait for pullbacks and so forth. Otherwise, the stock is strong, looks good, and continues to move well. Let's check out here another one, Tesla. Tesla gap back up. So you see we had this massive acceleration. I would say, hey, if you're trying to trade Tesla, it's a very volatile stock. So be very careful. You've got resistance here at this upper range and level. You've got a gap right here in the stock. The volume in the bullish level here is still pretty good. We've had some swing lows. It came down to about this 325 level. So that was kind of a serious support level. And we continue to kind of move in this level where we've had some more supports. But now with this gap, I would be careful that, again, this stock may be a little stretched. I'd be a little more neutral on this one. Be a little more cautious, because as we get back into this 760 level, maybe even, you know, trying to get into the 900 level, that could be a bit of a problem. So take some profits into strength, especially if you were in it earlier, and don't continue to chase this one. Because number one, you have the gap, and things that gap usually will pull back a little bit to retest things. So here's kind of some of your big levels that you want to watch, and you might even get a little bit of resistance even before you get to that 900 level, simply because there was some price action here before that happened. So Anyways, that's just my take on Tesla. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.